clear. I said it's clear caulk. Hi, I'm Matthew with All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with Bill and Elizabeth Smith. We just installed their island. What do you guys think of your new Granite island?
Excellent.
Excellent?
Excellent. Well, I'll tell you what, one thing that impressed me was getting the background information on a different material.
We really appreciate the business. Thank you guys so much for picking us to take care of you guys.